Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Davos. This is a possible airdrop, and this project is actually a DeFi protocol that helps you to earn yield from staked assets. So we are going to cover a little bit about the project, and we are going to go step by step on how to participate on this Polygon protocol that has some technological differentiation with another protocols to yield farm. So we are going to cover everything that is in our power to participate on this possible airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, Davos protocol allows you to earn yield from staked assets without having to risk too much collateral. Basically, Davos offers different features that allow users to use assets as collateral and borrow tokens. With Davos, you also have access to stable asset staking and yield farming. And for example, you have currently access to a 29 APR if you stake Davos. And Davos protocol is a multi-chain protocol with a dual token model, so you have DGT for the governance token and Davos, which is the real yield stable assets. This is running on Polygon right now, so we are going to check that. I will put the link for this. So like I say, Davos offers a secure, sustainable, over-collateralized stable asset with a competitive yield mechanism, and is interesting an alternative to traditional savings. And we can compare some of the different trilemma aspects of the stablecoins against USDC, USDT, DAI, and Frax. Davos is decentralized, they have a more price stability and capital efficiency. I think when we talk about USDC and USDT, we already know that both tokens have been deployed at least once in the existence. The website is Davos XYZ. Here you will have the button to launch the app. We are going to cover that in a minute in the step by step. But any more information that you want, you can read here on how the protocol works. And down here you have the white paper to really understand the technical aspect of this mechanism. Before going to the step by step, guys, remember that at cryptocurrencystate.net you have all my videos with all the different airdrops that I am covering. You can just go to the video section and you have pages and pages of active airdrops that you can still claim. Most of them are still available to work on them. I have, of course, Layer 0, Zksync. I have a top 7 airdrops to do. We have some meme coins like aptos that we claim free for being Arbitrum recipients. So all the airdrop videos are here, guys. When you enter to one of those, you are going to see my video where you can see it right there. And then you have the step by step here with all the links, and everything that you need to do is listed here on the post of the video. The same it will happen with the current Davos video. In the description you are going to have the link for my post for this video. But if you want to make it even easier, I have my subscriptions. One of them is to my application that you can see here the videos on how my app works and some ideas that I already did. This application is going to help you to apply very easily and in an organized way, even into multiple wallets if you want to participate on any of my airdrops. But also you can create your custom airdrops. So my app is not designed to restrict you to my YouTube channel or my community. It's actually going to help you to apply to any other airdrop that you do with another influencer. You can get it and have it in my app too. And in my Discord, guys, what I can say, we have a lot of different channels. We have a general channel for airdrop, new airdrops, meme coin airdrops that are happening right now. Airdrop distribution, we are up to date there. We also have crypto portfolio strategies. We have a crypto gems 100x to check. So many things happening there on my Discord, guys. We are killing it. We are near the 250, 300 people there. And recently I launched the roles on my channel. So I will do giveaways according to the different roles. So you may at some point get my subscription for free. Now guys, let's go to the Davos protocol step by step. Like always I say, step 1 and step 2 is follow them on Twitter and follow them on Discord. Of course, for some airdrops it's not necessary and it's not mandatory, but I would recommend you to do it so you are up to date with the distribution of the possible airdrops. If you are not subscribed to my Discord, then you are going to miss it maybe. So you need to follow the Discord to know the news, or at least the Twitter. In this case, you are going to need both things because we need to complete some Zealy tasks. So follow them on Twitter at Davos Protocol and the same Davos Protocol on Discord. Step 3 guys, this is in Polygon Mainnet and you will need Matic tokens. So if you don't have any Matic tokens, not only to pay transactions but to use as collateral for this project, you are going to need. I have 104 Matic tokens right now here, so we are going to continue to step 4. Step 4 is you need to connect to the app. Here you have the official link, so go there. You are going to need to connect to Polygon Mainnet. So this is using your real funds, and you need to have a lot of Matic there to participate. So once you enter here, we go to the step 5, which is deposit Matic. And after depositing, I will be able to borrow Davos. Davos is a stable token. You can see that it's listed in CoinGecko. Don't have a rank right now, infinite supply, so the information still may not be updated completely, but this is a token that is stable. So after we deposit the Matic tokens, we are going to borrow Davos token. And the important thing is that you are going to need at least 50 Davos. So that means that is $50. And to avoid too big liquidation risk, try to set a borrow limit below 75 as a recommendation. So go with me in these steps. We enter here, we are logged in and connected. Let's click here and click on add Matic to collateral. So we need to borrow 50 Davos at least. So let me see. If I put 103 Matic tokens, I'm going to have 67 Davos. So I will change this until it's 53, 54. So you can see that if I deposit 80 Matic tokens, which is around $80 right now, I'm going to have 52 Davos tokens. So I will put 55 just to be sure that I am okay with this, and I will click on provide. Right now, even Matic, the transactions are high, so I will need to edit this and I will need to put a big amount in order to approve all these transactions. Paying more gas fees. Now you can see the transaction is complete, so I click on OK. Now you can see that I have 85 Matic here deposit on my collateral. Now we go to borrow and I will click to borrow the total amount. And I will try to keep this below 75, like I say, but the minimum is 50. And you can see here, if I put 51, which is almost the minimum, like I say 50, you can see that my borrow utilization is almost everything. So you have this warning that you are about 75% of borrowing usage. It is recommended that you decrease this by repaying loans or providing more collateral to lower the risk of a liquidation event. That means if we need to put this below 75, I will need to put more Matic tokens here to decrease this value. So if I want to be below there, I will need to increase my amount like in 100 around that. But it's not the case, so I will just do it for the video. So I will borrow with these values. So after that, step 6, you can stake your Davos. And then you can unstake it, and in order to be eligible, I would recommend you to keep some Davos stake. But if you need your money, you can remove everything. So that thing, you can do it here on the earn. You click on stake and you can see right now the APR is 20. So you can approve here and stake it. And then I will not do it right now. It's not necessary. It's very obvious what you need to do. You basically click on unstake and you will get it back. So after you unstake, you can go here to the loans part and click on your dev, and you can proceed to repay the dev from the borrow. So you can see here the button to repay, and the transaction is completed. So we already repaid this. Now you can click the minus icon to remove your collateral and get your Matic tokens back. And in step 8, if you want, you can also provide liquidity. That is again in the earn part. So basically you have some liquidity pools, one in QuickSwap, another in Uniswap, Davos and USDC. Or you have these boosted vaults where you can add and provide liquidity too. So I will come back to my positions and I will click on remove everything here to withdraw. And lastly guys, we have step 9. This is a Zealy quest. Here in some article that I found, they said But of course, more experience points is more rewards. So we are assuming that at these stages, they are going to give rewards for completing this and doing the experience point. So here you have the invite. You go there and it's mostly like always, you will need to do some social media stuff. You also have all the mainnet interactions that we already did. One of them is staked for 20 days, so remember if you want to do that. Other is something that we already did, which is borrow 50 Davos. You also need to provide liquidity on QuickSwap and provide liquidity in Uniswap. This gives you point of experience. You have some quits here, some invites also there. So that is like very common. And you have the leaderboard here. This is pre-rewarded on May 26, so you still are early and you still have a lot of time here. So guys, that is all for this Davos protocol. Remember, if you want to really understand the technical aspect, you have the white paper to check. But basically you need to use the protocol like many others. In that aspect, it's very simple, but also you can use Matic as collateral here. So that is really, really cool. And complete the quest on the Zealy and you are going to be done. Remember to check my videos on how my app works. Even if you are not interested right now, check it so you know that this is in the market right now and it's helping a lot of people to use multiple wallets. Like you know, I did the Arbitrum airdrop with 12 wallets. I received tokens on all of them. So I was super amazed and happy that my application helped me to do that in a very easy way and an organized way, which is also important. And again, you have my Discord for everything that you want to do and understand in terms of airdrops. We have a channel for new people that don't understand too much about airdrops or even not too familiar with crypto, so you can join anyways there. That will be all guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.